Hello, everybody. We are glad to welcome you all to our webinar on the online food store. Today, we will talk about why to start an online food store as well as how to start an online food store. We at Set Commerce are very excited to share our thoughts today and also very thankful to you all for joining us. I'm Mehak, a content strategist at Set Commerce, and I have Vikalp along with me here, who is a senior software developer. He will be sharing some important insights over the benefits of starting an online food store marketplace. Before starting up with our topic, I would like to brief you about the points that we will cover in this webinar. We will be starting with the online food delivery model, then moving to the impact of COVID-19 on it. We will also be discussing the proven benefits of moving business online and will lay emphasis on all essential elements for creating an online food store. So let's start.
Yes, sure, Mehak. Hello, everyone. I'm Vikal this side. Thank you for joining with us today. It's not a hidden fact that with the current situation, we can see a major shift in consumer behavior, and now the consumers generally expect restaurants to give them the facility of placing orders online as they are no longer able to visit them. So, if you are already in food business and you haven't still engaged your customer via an online ordering food system, you are surely weakening down your own business. Led by the consistent research and insights, we came up with the conclusion that an online food store in the current scenario can be more beneficial than ever. By the end of this year, it is estimated that more than 58% of the food delivery orders will be made online. That's not very surprising, right? So, with the increasing popularity of online food stores and the shift in consumer behavior due to COVID-19, online shopping for food products is now the new normal. So first, we will discuss the online food store business model. As we know that food has always been an offline entity, but with the commencement of online ordering in the late 90s, the food sector was no longer just an offline commodity. Let me tell you how it all began. The first ever pizza online ordering facility was provided by Pizza Hut in 1994, increasing the growth of online food marketplace at a significantly higher rate, and since then it's only increasing. The popularity of online food business is on a boom. And in the present year, 2020, online food delivery accounts for more than 9,000 million USD and with an annual growth rate of 9.5%.
Yes, right, Vikal. But do you know what is the reason behind this popularity?
Mhm.
Well, I did some research on it and
Okay.
found out some useful facts. Yeah, so we are living in a corporate driven world where there
Mhm.
is no time to waste. The ease of getting food delivered at your doorstep without going out is the most convenient and time saving activity, and is also the reason behind the popularity of the online food stores. Be it working professionals, students, or job holders, all are leveraging the benefits of the online food stores. According to the data of Statista, by the end of 2024, the revenue of e-services of online food delivery segment platform to consumer delivery worldwide is expected to reach 96,864 million USD. That's huge, right?
Wow.
Not just this, the market share of the global online food delivery services is predicted to make a high jump from $107.44 billion in 2019 to $154.34 billion in 2023 at a CAGR of 11.5%. But we cannot avoid considering the impact of COVID-19 on the online foods industry, right?
Right.
Vikalp has some valuable data to share with us on the effect of COVID-19 on online food stores.
Yes, thanks, Mac. Well, I was really eager to share this with our audience, as it's undeniable fact that there is no section of the society which is untouched by the impact of COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah,
So according
exactly.
yeah, so according to the NPD group, digital restaurant orders increased by 63% and delivery by 67% in March this year. But even in this crisis, high demand has been recorded in the online food requirements. So you guys must be thinking, what's the reason? Well, it's quite clear that COVID-19 has forced people to stay inside their homes due to the fear of catching the virus. At such times, nothing can be more convenient than getting food delivered at your doorstep. As a result, the online food industry is witnessing an upsurge in demand due to overall shutdown of retail shops in most parts of the world. The driving factor in the food store e-commerce industry are the change in customer buying patterns and their increased expectations for convenience and accessibility. According to a survey by OnePoll, which was conducted back on March 23 this year, more than 61% of US internet users are more likely to buy products online. So let's consider these stats first. There was a significant rise in the number of new users in the food store apps like Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Postmates. So in the large suburbs, online ordering has grown by 3.8% since February. By early April, online ordering represented 43% of total sales volume for the restaurants, and 27% of restaurants showed an upward sales trend. Right. So DoorDash, which is a food delivery app, witnessed a growth rate of 53% in the installation of its application in the month of February itself. Likewise, there was 47% surge in Uber Eats application installation and 64% surge in Postmates app installation in the month of February and March. Not to brag, but the data clearly shows the high growth in the number of online stores, and it appears that it's only going to grow further. So, Mehak, basically, when in-store shopping is no longer a choice and people still need to fulfill their basic necessities, an online food store seems to make their ends. So,
Yeah,
what's your
that's
take on this?
You're completely right, Vikal. COVID-19 has no doubt changed the patterns of our shopping behavior. So, let's have a quick look at the buyer's persona. In the platform to consumer delivery segment, the number of users is expected to amount by 965.8 million by 2024.
Okay.
In the year 2019, a share of 36.0 users was of 25 to 34 years in age. Apart from the millennials, online ordering and delivery are also becoming a favorite activity among users in the age group of 35 to 44. And 57% of millennials say that they have restaurant food delivered so that they can watch movies and TV at home. Now that we are talking about benefits of online food stores, so we thought of, creating a point-wise comparison between offline and online food stores so that you get a better understanding. So let's see. The
Okay.
online food portals and delivery platforms are providing more choice and convenience as well as variety to the users. Not to forget the fact that online food delivery apps like Grubhub, Swiggy, Zomato, and Uber Eats have gained huge popularity in a very little period of time. The format of home delivery and takeaways is even more trending and influential in locations like offices, colleges, supermarkets, and residential areas. Also, did you know that 70% of customers say that they will directly order from food online through a restaurant's website? Well, this is exactly the point where online food portals stand ahead of the offline ones. So, over 80% of the offline restaurants are moving their food business to online ordering and reservation. This increase in the number of new online food stores and their increased revenue is an exact proof of how profitable the online sector is. Now that we have told you why online food portals are standing high, let's have a look at some points that Vikalp has to share.
Yes, I have created a complete list of the benefits of moving your food business online. Just like Mehak, you have mentioned earlier,
Yeah,
80% of offline restaurants are moving online. Why? Let me tell you the reason behind them. That is the benefit. Let's have a close look at these benefits of creating an online food store. So, firstly, you can expand your customer base and reach. So, with the huge increase in users of smartphones worldwide, most of the people are living in a digital life by having an online presence. Thus, keeping your business offline in an era where a large audience is present online can be a little loss for your business. An online food business is the best way you can establish your online presence and expand your customer reach. Next benefit will be the efficient customer and order management. So, with an online food store business, it is extremely easy to handle the customer and order management process. Online order management is both easy and flexible. And with an ordering system, the order made by the customer is received by the food store in real time. Another very important benefit we have is the super easy ordering process. So, the emergence of online food stores has streamlined the process of online food delivery. Gone are the times when people used to order food via phone calls. Now, the time has changed and customers can easily place orders. With the easy ordering process, the chances of late or wrong food delivery can also be reduced to a great extent. Another benefit is you can monitor your expenses in real time. The online food system automates the procedure of monitoring expenses and also saves times involved in doing the paperwork. It keeps track of your earning with every successful order. Not just this, it also let you inform about the money spent on each delivery and also on the inventory. So all the orders are tracked on the system and ensures transparency when it comes to paying tax. Well, now let's hear Mehak for the other benefits.
Yes, thanks Vikalp for sharing these benefits. Well, one of the best part about moving your business online that I believe is the opportunity to get to know your customers.
Hmm.
With the help of customer feedback option, it also gives customers the choice to review the business. Understanding the customer's choice is extremely essential for the growth of your online food business. With the help of customers' data, you can also improve your services likewise. Not just this, you can even offer mobile ordering facility. So, 70% of the customers say that they had rather order directly from a restaurant's app or website, like I mentioned in the above section. So, studies conducted by Interactive Advertising Bureau and Wiggle show that about 69% of the customers order food online using a mobile device. So, offering a mobile ordering facility can be a major plus point to your online food store business.
Absolutely.
Well, talking about the benefits, one other thing you can do is to offer customized deals. There is one more benefit of the online food delivery system that you can provide customized deal to the customers. So you can keep track of the previous food orders with the help of online food delivery system, right? So it
Right.
is lenient to understand the taste and preference of the customers. Deals or discounts on your customers' favorite dishes will definitely help you to acquire happy customers. And yes, how can we forget this one? Ensure to get ahead of your competition. With the arrival of major online food delivery apps, the consumer now expect the restaurants to deliver their favorite foods to their doorstep. At such a time, when most of the restaurants are going online to meet the demands of the customer, participation in the online food delivery activity is essentially important for the growth of your business. So, to stay ahead of your competitors, having your online food business is a must. I think the scope of online food store business is very wide, and with the current situation, it's only going to broaden further.
Well, that's true. The scope of the online food marketplace is undeniable. With the current scenario due to COVID 19, the prediction about the extent reach of the online food marketplace is very clear. As the customers are getting used to the convenience involved in ordering the food online, it won't be surprising that if ordering online food becomes the new normal. But before you begin, the second most important part is understanding how to create an online food marketplace.
Yes, Vikalp, that's right. We have already discussed the topmost reasons due to which the online food business is getting successful. Just after you decide to create an online food store, the first most important part is to know the components and essential steps that are required to create a successful online food store. So, here we are. We have wrapped everything that you need to know before starting an online food store. None of us are left affected by the COVID-19 crisis, readdressing what just Vikalp said. So, be it offline business or online business, both are facing the hardships due to pandemic. But what if we tell you that there are a number of businesses which are witnessing major growth even in the time of pandemic when most of the businesses are losing their grip in the global market? What's your take on this, Vikalp?
Well, we have came this forward talking about the benefits of online businesses.
Yeah,
But
right.
have you thought about what's the point of going for an online food business when you are already an offline food business or a restaurant? So by moving your offline food business online, you don't just simplify the lives of your client, yet additionally guarantee that your business can stand tall in the market. With the help of an online food ordering system, you can reach the right people in the right places and of course at the right time. So let us now begin to understand how to create an online food store. I believe the primary steps involve planning of your online food store. But wait, we have Mac here. Let's see what she has to share with all of us.
Well, Vikalp, I have created a whole step-by-step process so that our audience can easily understand it. Firstly, it is very essential to figure out the niche in which you want to create your online food store.
Hmm.
So, here's this question. Do you ever thought that from where did the idea of leading marketplaces come from? Well, most of the best marketplaces ideas come out as a result of people's hobbies. If you already got an idea regarding the online food store, then going forward with it can be a great deal. But even if it is moving forward with your own idea, it requires some considerations like, do the product you want to sell have a demand in the market? If there's a high demand for this product, then how will you stand out? Has this product ever been introduced in the market before? So, if you are able to obtain the answers to these questions, you can go forward with the idea. Next, you can explore that if your idea falls into an existing niche category like custom, novelty, gourmet, artisanal, certified organic, dietary restrictions, ethical like vegan, vegetarian, or kosher. So now, in case you don't have an idea for your online food store, we have some first time food business ideas for you
Okay.
that can help you, and they also require minimum equipment, low investment, and lesser shipping charges. As a beginner, you can consider candy, packaged foods, canned and pickled products, coffee and tea, seeds, raw ingredients, etc. You can also go through the online food trends in order to know the current situation of the market. Not just this, according to the BBC Good Food Top 20 Trends, they predict that the bar snacks, low sugar, chocolate, plant food, and BBQ are the leading ones. With the help of these food trends, you can easily find an idea for your online food store business, right?
Right. So, all right. So, now that you have got an idea for your online food store business, the next process involves the production or curation of food products. So, here in this section, I have got you covered. Let's discuss and understand that whether food production or food curation is the better option for your online food store. So, have you thought about whether you want to produce your own food products or you want to curate them? So, if you haven't thought about it yet, we will help you to know more about food production. The idea of good product is not just confined to a single option. In fact, there are many. The first option you can go for is a home based business. Do you know that some food items can legally be produced and sold right from your domestic kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. But
Wow, that's
you,
great.
yes, but you must look into the regulations surrounding your chosen product. Like, for example, in the United States, the FDA requires that you register your home based business as a facility there. So you can also have a look at the idea of shared commercial kitchens. Many facilities offer shared or co-op kitchen space that you can rent hourly or monthly. That totally depends on your production needs. The benefits of using it are reduced costs and paperwork, as these facilities are already registered as a commercial space. So there are several region-specific directories for shared kitchen space. These are Kitchen Find in Canada, Culinary Incubator in USA, Ketchup from UK, and Book to Cook all the way from Australia. Now you can also set up your very own commercial facility. All you need to do is to completely sure to confirm with your local government food government agency in order to make sure that your facility is verified and meets the code. Other than these options, you can also partner with an existing manufacturer. I think this option is best for you if you in case you are more interested in doing the business rather than doing the production. As for industry newbies, this option can be a great one because the manufacturers they will partner with will be already well versed in food safety and regulations. Now, when you are all set with the previously mentioned factors, the next step is to determine the labeling, branding, and of course the packaging of the food products. So when we talk about online food business, even though the profits are high, the challenges are no less. What's the reason? Well, think of this. Customers really cannot sample your food products. So the only way you can attract and let customers get an idea about the taste of the food product is by proper branding strategies of the food products. You can hire a designer for branding and package design of the product. Other than appearance and attractiveness of your food products, the next essential part is labeling of the food product. Though each country has different labeling requirements, so you must ensure that you follow them. So if you want to ship worldwide, then you must keep a check on the rules of labeling for the destination country. So this is all about the labeling, branding, and packaging of the food products. What we have next, Mehak?
Yes, well, because we have covered quite the points, but
Mhm.
there is still a lot more towards the establishment of your online food store. After you're done with the labeling and packaging of the products, you have to do the pricing of the products, which
Yes.
ultimately is a hard part. Here's one question that most of the beginners ask.
Mhm.
So the question is, why is the pricing of food products not an easy task? Well, the answer is quite obvious because there is not one universal or general formula for deciding the price of food items. Then, how can we do rational pricing for the food products? Simple. Just know your cost and keep adjusting until you get it right. If you believe in the value of your product, price it accordingly. Well,
Okay.
moving further, the other necessary step to look up for is for inventory management, keeping a check on the expiry dates of the products. And for that reason, inventory management is an essential practice for the success of your online food store business. Now, when it comes to the point of payments, customers look for, simple and multiple payment options.
Yes.
Talking of this, I must say that those online food stores which offer multiple payment options wins the market because some are comfortable with payment through their cards, while others are comfortable with payment through wallets to avail cashback offers. Now, in that case, what you can do? So, look for a platform that provides flexible yet reliable payment solution. Make sure your food store can integrate your site with the online payment wallets and payment gateways. You can even introduce cash on delivery. Your delivery service can collect the cash and deliver it to you. But wait, how are you going to ship your products? Do you thought about that? You don't have an idea? Well, we have. Your business is connected to your customers via delivery services. Make sure you choose a reliable one. It's so crucial that it can even make or break your customer relationships. The delivery service you should choose to be prompt in the areas where you operate, right? So you can go for an e-commerce solution that integrates with your food delivery partner. Some advanced features can also help you track the delivery live. Well, that's from my side. Over to you, Vikalp.
Well, thank you, Mehak. Now that we are done with all the crucial steps and necessary practices to ensure a successful online food store, we are still missing the last but one of the most essential step, that is setting up your online food store. And how do
Yeah,
we do that?
exactly. You're right.
And how do we do that? So, an online store is one such business that is growing at an exceptionally high rate. Let's first see what the analysis and stats have to say. So, by 2030, the online meal ordering business will touch $365 billion globally. So, if you are an offline restaurant and a lot of your business originates from food portals, it is the right time you should have your own online food ordering platform. Well, you have got two options to proceed with. You can either go for the conventional site, making the process that will be lengthy and costly, or you can just make a smart move and partner with an expert e-commerce service provider to save time and money. The next section is mainly all about the marketing and legal activities. Now, if we talk about marketing, which is somewhat the most vital part of the success of a website, so in the absence of taste testing, connecting your customers to your story is extremely important. Though your business plan may have no room for physical retail strategy, it's still important to take your product to the street and to the mouth of your potential customer. So, what can you do then? Let's have a look at these points. You can generate a buzz locally by participating in farmers markets. You can even run a pop up. You can partner with restaurants or other complementary brands on a testing event. You can host a private dinner for the influencer. You can also periodically invite customers into your process, or you can launch your brand at a consumer food and beverage expo.
Well, great, Vikalp. That was really some helpful data.
Yes.
Well, all of us know that marketing is an essential component of business, whether we eat online or we eat offline, because it is mainly responsible for the success of the business. See, customers are the base of a business. So building relationship with customer is an important step for online food store business. There are many ways you can attract customers and make them a part of your online e-commerce journey. So let's have a look at these ways. The first one is implementation of SEO. SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, is the process of getting your site to appear on search engines like Google and Bing. So Google currently has over 200 ways of deciding how highly websites rank in its search result. But here are a few key points to be aware of. That is keyword research, metadata, backlinking, and mobile responsive website. Social media marketing is another one that can help your business to connect with the right audience to a greater extent. Having a strong social media following only adds to your company credibility. It's also a way of interacting with your customers and giving them a point of contact. Well, I'll say email marketing is also a surefire way to pique a customer's interest and keep them coming back to your store again and again. E-commerce website builders have their own built-in email marketing strategy.
Mhm.
You can fill in pre-designed email templates with your latest deals and offerings before sending them off to your subscriber. So food markets and food festivals, all of us
Mhm.
have heard of that. So it's a great opportunity to test your new products and flavors. If you're wondering whether a new product idea is worth launching or not, then there's no better place than a festival to gather as many unbiased opinions as possible. So you can offer free samples of your latest creation and even ask visitors to rate that they have tried on a scale of 1 to 5. Market research has never been more delicious, I'm telling you.
Yes.
Every business needs expansion at some point in time, right?
Yes.
To grow your online food business, you can either expand your inventory or tie up with vendors who sell products that you wish to add in your store. But you have to make sure that your e-commerce platform supports multiple seller integrations. You may include the multi-seller feature and add sellers, or you may also integrate with other stores to promote desired products you want to. I think we are all set with the online food store. No, Vikal?
Wait, Mehak, we are still not ready with our online food store. Let me tell you why. Until you do not follow the food law and regulations, your store won't be considered ready to jump in the market. So, here we will help you understand how you can ensure to keep up with the food safety laws and prevent consequences. So, in order to ensure that you are following the food laws and regulation, you must get your licenses and keep track of every activity and reduce the chances of getting into some legal issue. So, in my opinion, do your homework, acquire the proper licenses, and you are good to go. Now, beyond legality, bad decisions around ethics and transparency can ruin a brand. This is true for any business, but the layer of complexity in food can make your business especially more vulnerable. All right, now that we have gone through most of the features of the online food store marketplaces and its benefits, we are happy to share with you all online food store marketplace solution by Setcommerce. Let's discuss how solutions provided by the Setcommerce can help you out in creating a proper online food store. So let's quickly go through the features of our online food store marketplace solution. Here, with the Setcommerce online food store solution, customer can select their location and can view available dishes and restaurants in their areas. This is how it looks like based on the location of the dishes and restaurants are shown. Next, customers can research customers can search restaurants by the name and go through their dishes with the help of Dishes tab. Another feature is customers can also directly add dishes to their shopping cart and can place orders quickly. Now, it also has the customized dishes that are available and customers can select among the popular choices or options and can decide the quantity how much they want to purchase. Now, with this online food store solution, restaurant owners can add dishes from their panel and they can also add remove multiple tags and even assign them to the dishes. Now, for the marketplace owners, they have full authority over that tags as they can view more any tags added by the restaurant owners. Now, with this solution, all that is online food store marketplace solution, Setcommerce also provides a food delivery and shipment tracking mobile applications. The order tracking app facilitates a smooth delivery system for the marketplace owners as well as the assigned delivery person. So with this application, marketplace owners can reassign, assign or cancel any shipment in a flash, making the delivery process very smooth. So in case you want to know more about the features of our solution, you can simply connect with our experts. You can schedule a demo with us and set up your very own online food store. Well, that's from my side. Thank you for being part of this webinar. But before you go, we have an exciting journey of one of our SetCommerce client. Mehak, please share this story with our audience.
Well, thanks, Vikalp. It was really having great to have you in the webinar.
Thank
In
you.
the end, I would like to share with you all a very inspiring journey of one of our SetCommerce client. Wyoming Deliveries are one of the premium food and liquor delivery services who is leading the current online food market. SetCommerce helped Wyoming Deliveries with its feature-enriched marketplace solutions. And we at SetCommerce feel proud watching our clients succeeding in the online market with our solutions. The online food storage solution offered by SetCommerce is capable of transforming a conventional offline food store into an online food store marketplace. Now, before saying goodbye, I would like to brief you a little about SetCommerce. Our goal at SetCommerce is to enable merchants by helping them in building their business online with our e-commerce solutions. Ultimately, we hustle to make the internet a better place to sell on by revolutionizing the e-commerce sector. SetCommerce is one of the leading e-commerce solution providers with a highly dedicated team of IT professionals. We have been helping our clients expand their business on global marketplaces like Magento, Shopify, PrestaShop, and others. With more than 10,000 plus certified customers, SetCommerce develop marketplace solutions, extensions, online stores, smartphone applications, and so on. We know what your business exactly needs to be successful. So connect with us today. Thank you all for joining us today. Goodbye.